Good afternoon from King Machine. This is Joyce again. And this is our beverage processing plant manufacture area. And beside me, this is a layout of the equipment. This is a project we export to Togo and West Africa. So here it is the sugar dissolving system and mixing system, and also this is our placement joint. So right side of my shelf here is my machines, our machines in the processing. So our staffs are making the welding and also connecting all the equipments. So this is how our job done here.